So putting this into perspective from what we had talked about earlier, we'd identify this as our IB high. So that's a retest. 32 is the middle. We said that this would be a key support right in here. So as long as those traders are still in it, we can bounce. And don't forget, probably a lot of traders that probably hit it early, any place here near the original resistance, the overnight, that got stopped out. And those traders, if they took another entry, are looking to at least just make up their stop loss. So that also causes it sometimes to stall here the first time back in through here. So not enough information yet. All we know is so far, yeah, that megaphone is played out where lower low took out the high, and now we've come back in towards the middle. And hit and run is, if you're playing hit and run, just not enough information. We do know the day, since the day opened back down here, the day is going to be a positive day unless we get back down there and take that out. So for now, the most important thing is the fact that we've got Angel trying to support from the 29.5, 30 area, and back at the top, the 39 area. So realistically, this is a perfect conundrum in here into this 34 to 32 zone. This is the fighting area for, all right, which way are we going? And that 33.75 we said should be a pretty good size marker. So that's being decided, in my opinion, right now. And we don't control the market. We can't control external events. We can't control other traders. We can't control the market. What we can control is what we do, opportunities that we take advantage of or don't, and the discipline of day after day doing our homework, and obviously accepting the trades that we're wrong on, taking the stop out. That we can control. But we have no control over the market. None whatsoever. So it's the discipline of looking for these timing ideas and saying, all right, so long side push, maybe we'll get the 4, 5, 6. Well, you did. You got the 5. Somebody wants profits from that little swing. That usually will cause a bounce. That's all we know. And then if we can't continue to make forward progress, and if we take this out, then there's more in the chute to come backwards and test the 30 plus or minus. And obviously this low down here, that's a key support. At least that's the way I'm looking at it. And then we try to give structure to it by adding lines and other time-based factors and other studies. Put it into perspective. So 60-minute chart, a good one to stall. And you can see the 30. We've gone over and under. We're trying to level out. Stochastics has shown us pretty good downside day, and we came from the high side, and we've got all the way down to the low side, overdone, and the averages started to come up. And this helps us to see when we're overdone in one direction and overdone on another. So currently all we know is that we've got a low that was rejected. And can be construed, if you'd like, as a 1, 2, 3 lower low. trap a few and squeeze them. Pretty good sized dump in here. And obviously the buy, trapped and squeezed, and now not enough information other than to know that here we are in the middle. So I think this afternoon, if you have had a good day and didn't take profits earlier, shame on you. And I'm looking at this as range type trading now. So if you were conservative and waited and hit that 37 to 40 zone, got to take something in here. And if you've got a trailer, up to you. It looks to me like there's not a whole lot of energy in the market this afternoon. And I like the 10-minute chart over here trying to hold. And if you want to put it on a 60 chart, you can see it here as well. Pretty good battle right now going on there. Thank you, Zeke.